Okay, today we are going to talk a little bit about some of the trains in Germany, and just basically not the trains themselves, but getting on and getting off and finding your way around. So first off, we have Deutsche Bahn, and you'll see that the symbol is right here. That means German rail. This is the nationalized German rail system. So that's kind of like Amtrak would be for us. And they have all kinds of different trains. You can see right here, this is for shorter, it's between cities, but shorter distances between the cities. These don't go super fast. Probably at most 50 miles per hour. And you could take one from one major city to another, but not long ones. So for example, if you were going from Toledo to Dayton or Cincinnati, but not like way far out. If you were taking a longer route, you would take an ICE, which is one of these. ICE stands for Intercontinental Express, and we've talked about this a little bit. And they still don't go super fast, maybe 70, 80 miles an hour. But the nice thing is you can get up and move around on either kinds of these trains. And so you can take a nice long train ride and you don't feel like you've been driving all day, which is kind of a nice thing. So this is a Bahnkarte. That was one of the things that you had to Google, and I'm not sure that you found this, because if you typed in Bahnkarte like I did, it may have auto-corrected it to Bahncard, which is different. But this particular one, you can see the cities that it's going to. When you see HBF like that, that means Hauptbahnhof. So this one is going from Schnege, wherever that is. I don't even know that that's in Germany, to Göttingen, to Würzburg, and then to München. So you can see what time it leaves, and then you'll see it says Gleis. When we get into the vocab, you'll notice that it says that that's like the track number that you would get onto. And then this is the type of train that you have. So this person is taking an ICE, as you can see, and then all kinds of different things. So this is from, looks like, well, that would be the 8th month, the 27th day of 2018. So that would be August 27th of 2018. Remember, the hours are a little bit different, and 6 hours and 47 minutes of train riding right there. So that's a Bahnkarte, and I wanted you to see if you could figure out how much that was going to be going to cost. I will be honest, that's going to be rather tricky. So I want to see what you guys can find. Feel free to go on the Deutsche Bahn website and check that out. This is a Streifenkarte. And well, here's a real good view of one that's brand new, and you can see that it costs 12 euros, and it's got all these different stripes on it, which is why it's called a striped card or a Streifenkarte. And what you do is, let's say you're going to go to downtown Munich for the afternoon. So you're going to go X amount of miles or kilometers. You'd fold it over, and then you would cancel your ticket, and you can see that there's a date that's on there, and you can use it over and over again. This person apparently uses theirs every day, and they go the same distance. This one, they've gone a couple of different, it kind of goes by, the map has rings on it, and every time you go through a ring, you have to go 2 stripes or 1 stripe or something like that. So that's what a Streifenkarte is. And you can use those from day to day. These are Tageskarten, and be careful that you didn't end up with a menu. A Tageskarte is a 1-day card or a 1-day ticket. So this is one for looks like September 1st of 2017. This one is for December 1st also of 2009, and that allows you to ride any train within the city that you want. S-Bahn, U-Bahn, Straßenbahn, bus, but it's only good for that specific day. Let's see here. Is there a price that's listed on there? A lot of times they'll have them on there, and sometimes they don't. I don't see it right offhand, but if you look it up on Deutsche Bahn, it probably will tell you. So that's one for Munich right there. And there you go, €6.70. Okay, that is the Bahncarte, and I hope that clears things up.